Yes, RBM, Napo.
Ini RBM.
Yes, what's it? Yes, make sure kuna line yako. Hebu see how to sample. Yes. Let's go. So what are kidogo tu Siki muda. Thank you so much. Makofi kwa. Yes, makofi kwa. Next.
DJ. The next group. Where the RM? The RM.
Let's do it, baby. Yes. Yes, but DJ, Omesema wani maji. Tushangilie. Yes,
put your money where your mouth one day, yeah, that's what we prefer. Said it, pick up, said it, pick up, I mean, said it, you have it, pick up, so when you said it, you have it, Sima, on got the keys to the beamer, kiss cake in your coat and a trend for the beamer, female Benzema, got them not the production check, so when you said it, you have it, pick up.
Chop ni seti ni shande with them a big team rock alale ango nayo turn it down kwa carpet bad girl karili nafanya na kamtesa only fun video kuingiza kigesa kama huru lakini ni penga kutesa don't bully ananyanga bila tesa.
Don't give up, that's what to do or say. Don't even listen, maybe you don't care. Now you're going astray. How long will it take you to change your ways? Yes, this crazy living nowadays. So if you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way.
Wewe DJ wewe.
La ville est arrivée, tous les prochains commencent à sortir. Aspect qualité, quelle est la moitié, tout le monde appelle ce testeur de qualité. Critère variété, séchage quantité, THC ou bien.
Inamita umesema wao ni millennials eh? Yes, the millennials eh? Yes, so gani? Yes, millennials eh? Yes. Our dancer. Yes. Badije. Hapo. Okay, hapa. Ah, let's go. Let's go. Hiyo si ni misi wakisi hivyo. Wakisi wa dance hivi.
Haikuwa hivyo.
You give us crazy move eh? Ukipenda panda miti. Yes. Uweke vizuri eh? Thank you so much. Yes, one group eh? Yes. Emambazu. Yes. Makofi. Yes. Wewe. Yes, my DJ. Hello. Hello. Hey, Charlie, you can go back, eh? You know what we eh?
Yes, DJ kidogo.
Yes, hello.
Yeah.
If you can hear me, clap once. Yes, if you can hear me, clap once. Yes, kama unajua umeketi simama. Shikilia vizuri eh?
Yeah.
Hiyo mbao ni venye tunafanya kazi eh? Ona hiyo mbao. Hiyo ndio venye tunafanya kazi. teamwork alafu hiyo karai ndio customer yetu our customers so make sure you give services to our customers very well customers yangu si ndio
na team black wako wapi team black wako wapi
professional
yes ni example
unapitisha hivyo
kisha kupita bao unaamka wa John Yokira hivyo amka unaenda hadi mwisho
hii imetosha
hivyo hivyo
imetosha wewe
hivyo
bana ujitulia
ilikuwa
rudi kama let's go
aya turudi
yes team Purple
yes tunaenda na tunarudi let's go team Purple bado iko
yes let's go
team Purple yes imeanguka
rudi
yes sorry imeanguka
team pink yes team pink
imeanguka turudi kuanza
yes
team pink sawa tukifika kwa fence tunarudi hatujafika
tunarudi
yes tunarudi
wewe tu yes
tunarudi nataka kuona mshindi
nice one team white integrity guys yes integrity
flow back to
yes remember integrity and honesty
wewe nawaona wale team blue nawaona
yes
team blue I'm seeing you yes nawaona team blue
yes team blue nakuona wewe
nawaona team blue
nice one team white
and the winning winners are in first position team Abjafika
nice one team white integrity guys
and the winning team is and the winners are
I'm checking yes I'm checking and the winning team is team
bado haijafika tunataka kuona besheni
yes
and the winning team is
team
and the winning team orange in second position we have team white in third we have team green yes
yes and the winning team is team yes and the winning team is team yes nice one Wadije and the winning team is team yes let's go
Can't say to take my eyes off you. Especially a tight and move. You know you hold that time and I hold that time, baby. But you take a look.
And the winning team is team. Niko na saba. Yes, niko na saba, sawa. Integrity, sio? Yes.
Yes.
It's all about good vibes, good vibes. It's all about good vibes, good vibes. Ati nina mabeshte ndani kwa gari. Nikisema nina mabeshte unasema sare. Are we together? Nina mabeshte ndani kwa gari. Kila siku tunapare. Yani ndani kwa gari. Kila siku tunapare. Warembo ndani kwa gari. Kila siku tunapare. Ukibamba sana wapinduru. Unaweza niongezea volume kidogo DJ. Ndio? Weka muziki, leo nataka kucheza. Nina mabeshte ndani kwa pate, tunataka kucheza. Shida ni mingi, leo nataka kucheza. Yeah, you know, we just wanna party and enjoy. Leo nasema, nyama kwa vitu gani kidogo.